Hi everyone, welcome to iRise online classes. So in this video, I am going to discuss in the topic of reasoning to count a figures. See, so we have a different approaches to count a figures, guys. So we have it so many different approaches. See, out of those approaches, first of all, I just want to count the total number of triangles in the given figure. So ఒక figure ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎన్ని number of triangles ఉంటాయో ఐడెంటిఫై చేద్దామండి. Then before counting of any question in the triangles, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఫిగర్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే నీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇంకొంచెం ఈజీగా అవుతుంది కౌంటింగ్. సో ద ఫస్ట్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్, ఇఫ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్ రిలేటెడ్ ఫర్ ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్, clear? If any question related for equilateral triangle, our counting is very easy manner. So how we are counting if question related for equilateral triangle? See, we know that what is the definition of equilateral triangle means maintained as a equal number of bases. Clear? If any number having a equal number of bases, that is the concept of equilateral triangle. So equal number of bases unte danni emantamandi equilateral triangle antam. Okay, generally what is the basic approach to count a figures in a equilateral triangle? First of all, ఇది ఒక ఫిగర్ ఇచ్చారండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ ఫిగర్. హౌ మెనీ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? సో I can say that this is the only one triangle are there. If I go to one more question, for example, how many number of triangles are there? So generally how many number of triangles are there? So first of all, see, this is the one triangle, see that? So this is the one triangle, and this is the second triangle, and this one is the third triangle, and this is the fourth, and this one is the five. So the total number of triangles are 5, guys. So we get that the total number of triangles are 5. Then one of the important observations, see here, see, we have a 2 bases in this side, we have a 2 bases in this side, we have a 2 bases in this side. Every side maintained as equal number of bases. If each side maintained as a equal number of bases, definitely the triangle, the bigger triangle is related to the equilateral triangle. Okay, let's see the one more question. Okay, see, what is the basic approach to count the total number of triangles in this figure? First of all, I will go with the manual counting, guys. First of all, see, I just take it as some different name, A, B, C, D. I just go with the E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. I just give a some namings. Clear? First of all, I just concentrated on one base triangle. Clear? How many one base triangles are there? Just go with the, see, this is one base triangle means ABC is a one base triangle, BDE is a one base triangle means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So one base total number of triangles are 16, guys. Clear? So that is the one base triangle. Now I am focused on, okay, let's see this question. Find the total number of triangles in the given figure. So we just count how many number of triangles are there in this figure. See, first of all, I just go with a manual counting. I just give a some naming. See, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N and O. I just give some namings. First of all, I just concentrated on one base triangle. See, total how many one base triangles are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. One base triangle means ABC is a one base triangle, BDE one base triangle, CEF one base triangle. In this way, just count it total how many are there. Clear? 9, it's a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. The total one base triangles are totally 16 triangles. Now I just concentrated second one, 2 base triangles. Clear? Okay, first of all, what are the 2 base triangles? We require 2 bases means you start counting with a A. See, A vertex point and we want 2 bases means 1, 2. So D and F, guys. So first one is A, D, F. Clear? That is the one. Then move on to the next one, B. So you just concentrated on B and C. B, G, I. So B, G, I is a one. Next you can concentrate on C here. See, C, H, J. Clear? C, H, J is the one 2 base triangle. Next, now you just concentrated on D, K, M. So D, K, M. So D, K, M is the 2 base triangle. Again, you just concentrated on this part, E, L, N. So E, L, N. ELN. Clear? Next one, move on to that FMO. So next one is related for FMO. Next we have a inverted, guys. See, inverted means see DFM, guys. So DFM. So DFM. So total 2 base triangles are totally we have a 7. Then move on to that, just concentrated how many 3 base triangles are there. So 3 base triangle means starts with a A, guys. See, the 3 base triangle means starts with a A. See, starts with a means see A G J. So A G J. Next one, you just concentrated on these ones. See, B K N. So B K N. So one more 3 base triangle. Next, you can concentrate at C L O C L O. So total we have a 3 base triangles are 3. And finally 4 base triangle means that is related for bigger one. So bigger one is related for, guys, see A K O. So this is the normal counting to count the total number of figures in the given figure. Then see, here we have a 16, here 4, 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. So in this figure the total number of triangles are 27. Then see, one of the most important observations are here. See, observe that in this side 1 2 3 4 we have a 4 bases. Again 1 2 3 4 we have a 4 bases. Again 1 2 3 4. It means see, every side they maintained as a equal number of bases. If any side maintained as a equal number of bases, the bigger triangle is related for equilateral triangle. So bigger triangle is related for equilateral triangle. It means see, if any question related bigger one is a equilateral triangle, to count a number of triangles in equilateral triangle we have a direct shortcut method. See, the shortcut method is represented for number series approach. What is the number series approach means? Remember that, sir. We know that the natural number starts with 1. You just remember that. See, natural number starts with 1. And the next number we should add it. It means see, 1 plus 2, the number is equal to 3, guys. Next one, next number plus 3. We just add plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next we just add 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. If you want to go with the next number, so 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. If you want to add next number means 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. In this way you just frame a one of the values. Clear? Next one, see, if you remember these value, so you can go with the direct counting. Then see, first of all, if find the total number of triangles in this figure, take it as a first number. So answer is a 1. Then here we have it 2 bases, guys. Here we have it 2 bases case means consider first 2 numbers. What are the first 2 numbers? 1 and next number is equal to 2. So 1 and the next number we need to add a 2 means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, guys. Simply 1 plus 3 the value become 4. Now we should add from bottom onwards every alternative number. Bottom onwards every alternative number simply we should add it. From bottom onwards first alternative number is equal to 1, guys. So 4 plus 1 the value become 5. Same way, for example, this is the figure given, find the total number of triangles. It means see, we know the total we have a 4 bases means consider first 4 numbers. What are the first 4 numbers? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So simply add all the numbers. See, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 3 and plus 4. So simply add these numbers. See, if you add all the numbers, see, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, guys. Next, what I am saying that you just take it as every alternative number from bottom onwards. Bottom onwards means first number is equal to 6, next number is equal to 1. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The answer become 27, guys. So without going any manual counting, you can get the answer that is related for 27. Okay, let's see the question. See, for example, so these are the different figures are given. Give me the total number of triangles in the given figure. So this is the 1 base, that's why answer is equal to 1. In this figure we know that this is an equilateral triangle. If it is an equilateral triangle, we should add the numbers 1 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The total resultant is equal to 4. So we have one of the important point we need to remember. We should add from bottom onwards every alternative number. The every alternative number is equal to 1. Then answer become 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. For example, this figure is given, so the total number of bases are 3. So just consider first 3 variables means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So total resultant is 6 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. From bottom onwards, every alternative number means we get only one alternative number, the resultant become 13, guys. For example, in this figure given, total we have a 4 bases. Total 4 bases means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. The total resultant here 20. From bottom onwards, we should add every alternative number. Then 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The total number of triangles are 27, guys. For example, this figure is given. First of all, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bases means consider first 5 numbers. What are the first 5 numbers? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. These are the 5 numbers we just consider. And simply add all the numbers, guys. See? So 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 plus 10 20 plus 15 is equal to 35, guys. So 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. From bottom onwards, we should add every alternative number. What is alternative number here? 10. What is alternative number here? 3. So 10 plus 3, we just add 13 variables. So the total value become 48. For example, in this figure, the total number of triangles are 48, guys. So this is the approach applicable for if bigger triangle is given as equilateral triangle. Then how we are observing the equilateral triangle? It means, see, every side they maintained as a equal number of bases. If equal number of bases in any side, the concept is related for equilateral triangle. If the question related for equilateral counting, remember the number series approach. What is the number series approach? First number is 1, then we should add 2, next we add 3, add 4, add 5. After addition of all the numbers, again we should add a number that is related for alternative number from the bottom. Remember these points. So finally we add a certain numbers. Those certain numbers is represented for alternative number from the bottom. So bottom to the alternative number we should add it. So this is the counting approach applicable for equilateral triangle if bigger one is a given. Thank you.